Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video tutorials, we will show you how to extract table line items using the Add Table from Table Auto Detection with PDF.co Document Parser Template Editor. We will use this sample document with a multipage table in this demo. Let's begin. First, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click on the Document Parser menu. Then, click on the New Template. Now, load the source file. After loading the source file, click on the Add Object button. Then, select the Add Table from Table Auto Detection. After you add the object, it will autofill the JSON for finding the table. Now, let's run the template. Here's the extracted table line items. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.